Good morning, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, I have the honour to announce that the swearing-in ceremony for Honourable Mr. Justice William Gillow Gibbs Austin Young as Judge of the Supreme Court shall now begin. Your Excellency, I now have the further honour to invite Honourable Mr. Justice William Gillow Gibbs Austin Young to take the oath of allegiance and the oath for due execution of judicial office.
I, William Gillow Gibbs Austin Young, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji, so help me God. I, William Gillow Gibbs Austin Young, swear that as a judicial officer within the courts of Fiji, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. And I solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of law and the rights of the people, and will do justice to all persons without fear, favour or prejudice, in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the law. So help me God. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Your Excellency, here concludes the swearing-in ceremony for this morning.
Back.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, may we be upstanding for His Excellency the President to retire.
Congratulations again.